I just woke up and the weather outside is rainy, dark, and honestly, super boring. I don't want to just waste this day sitting on the couch. I want to be productive. So I'm setting up a challenge. Can I design, print, and assemble a UFO lamp before I go to bed tonight? Usually, 3D printing a full-size lamp takes well over 12 hours. If I spend hours on CAD software designing it, I'll lose the challenge before I even start. To survive this speed run, I need some serious backup from AI. Let the challenge begin. Our journey against the clock starts right now with Meshy AI. I just drag and drop this UFO image I found online. To ensure we don't waste time on bad renders, I make sure the latest Meshy 6 model is selected and image enhancement is activated. This helps the AI optimize the input image for the sharpest results on the first try. Hit generate, and let's see if AI can save my day. And there it is. The speed is honestly unreal. Quick tip here. We got a perfect 3D model on our very first try. But if you are not 100% satisfied with your first result, Meshy AI actually gives you 4 retries for free to tweak it until it's perfect. So you don't have to worry about burning your credits on a bad render. Speaking of keeping the workflow fast and seamless, Meshy AI offers one of the most extensive ranges of DCC integrations among AI 3D tools, making it a great solution for 3D printing users who want to bridge the gap between AI and production. No time to lose, let's prepare this model for multicolor printing. I want that classic cinematic multicolor look, but I absolutely hate manual painting in slicers. It's a massive time killer, and remember, the clock is ticking. To beat the clock, I'm using a total pro move. First, I just hit the texture button. Meshy AI instantly analyzes my original photo and paints the model for me in seconds. Then, I switch to the multicolor feature. I just played with the color count until I reached the sweet spot. With a quick adjustment of the filament colors, we have the finished look. Is it 100% perfect? Maybe not, but trust me, it is light years faster than manual painting. Now we only need to make small color adjustments in the slicer. Let's send it directly to Bambu Studio and bring this alien technology to life. Until now, we've lost around 5 minutes in total, including searching for the image on the internet. Off to a great start. To avoid unnecessary support material and save printing time, I sliced the UFO into 2 parts. But now we have a challenge. How do we power it? We need to install a puck light. To do that, we need to create a secret room inside the UFO. I added a negative cylinder slightly larger than the puck itself to each part, so we can trap the light perfectly between them. Let's import the light model to check. Fits perfect. But as an engineer, I always need to think one step ahead. If we just permanently glue these parts, it will be physically impossible to change the batteries without breaking our beautiful lamp. To fix this, I added slots for magnets so the UFO can snap open and close easily. Now let's turn this into an actual glowing night lamp. A lamp isn't a lamp without a lampshade, right? The light needs to diffuse beautifully. That means we need to create the beam of light coming out of the UFO. I added a modifier for the bottom beam part and used a sneaky 3D printing trick. Set the infill density to 0%, reduce the wall loops to just 1, and set the top and bottom shell layers to 0. Boom! Instant lampshade. But we have one final problem because, as you know, physics dictates that light cannot travel through solid plastic bottoms. So I added one final negative cylinder to cut a clean hole for the light to pass through. Now our UFO lamp is officially ready to print. The clock is ticking, but our slicer time is locked in at just 10 minutes. Now it's time to grab a coffee and watch my 3D printer do the rest of the hard work. My assumption was completely right. Total print time, 12 hours and 8 minutes. But thanks to AI saving me hours on the design phase, I managed to create a creative, unique night lamp in just 12 hours and 30 minutes in total, including the assembly. Look at that cozy alien glow. Creating a custom project like this used to require pro-level modeling skills and days of work. Now, just an idea and the right AI tool. If you're ready to start your own journey and make your own lamp, Meshy AI is offering new users 50% off their first month. Check out the link in the description. The challenge is officially done. I finally got my cozy lamp before going to bed. What is the longest time you've ever spent on a single 3D print? Tell me down below. Now, I can finally go to sleep. Good night.